Transcendental meditation. What is the draw? And is it a meditation you need a little bit more support in making it happen more than the other types of meditation? Let's talk about it in your Mental Health Toolbox's meditation series. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to meditation type number 3, Transcendental Meditation, a technique that helps us transcend our everyday lives. So prepare to transcend your mental limits and travel with me on this insightful voyage. Yeah, I just got excited. Also, quick heads up, if you would like to see the other videos in the meditation series, go ahead and click the top right-hand corner to access those previous meditations. Practicing transcendental meditation is like plunging into a boundless sea of pure consciousness. It's a technique that lets us transcend our usual modes of thought and enter a meditative state of heightened awareness. Just like some of the other types of meditation discussed, this one is no different. It has a positive effect on our well-being. You may be asking, what exactly is it about transcendental meditation that makes it so unique, and how does this method of meditation differ from the others? I'm glad you asked. In transcendental meditation, you use mantras, sacred sounds, or phrases in this special technique. The mantra is repeated silently in one's head without effort or thought. This reiteration induces a condition of profound calm and inward stillness by calming the mind. It's like entering an oasis of calm in the middle of the storm of daily life. If we want to try out transcendental meditation, how do we do it? It's a simple procedure, trust me on this. Find a peaceful place where you can close your eyes and relax. Breathe deeply to center yourself in the here and now. The next step is to gradually introduce your mantra, which can be a word or sound that you silently repeat to yourself. Keep repeating the mantra until your mind calms down and you become engrossed in the sound. Don't try to suppress distracting thoughts. Instead, softly bring your attention back to the mantra and keep repeating it. It's like drifting on a sea of calm with the chant leading the way to heightened realms of consciousness. Let me give you a taste of the benefits of transcendental meditation by leading you on a short guided meditation. Envision yourself in a tranquil meadow, listening to the sounds of nature all around you. You can feel your body and mind lightening as you repeat your mantra, as if you're being carried into a higher state of consciousness. It's like stepping into an alternate dimension, one where your physical limitations fade away and you feel one with the limitless. Let's take a look at some ways you might improve your transcendental meditation routine. First and foremost, it is strongly suggested that you study transcendental meditation with a trained professional. They can help you find your own mantra and offer wisdom from their own experiences. Second, reliability is essential. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of transcendental meditation practice twice a day. Consistent engagement over time accrues advantages and enriches the experience. Transcendental meditation is worth exploring, especially if you're wanting to mentally take a moment away from the stresses of the world. Remember, if you haven't already done so, subscribe and join us as we continue down this meditation series. The next meditation we'll be talking about is about one of the most popular forms of meditation, guided meditation. I'll see y'all in the next video.